Good morning, children. Now we have come in this chapter number 16. First, I will give this textbook evaluation. After completing the question answer, I will come for discussion. Okay, so first one is choose the correct answer. First question is second option, elongation of dwarf plants. Second question is second option, auxin. Third question 2,4-D. Fourth question FW went. Fifth question is ethylene, D option. Sixth question is anterior pituitary. Seventh question is salivary gland. Eighth question is pancreas. Ninth question is pituitary gland. Now fill in the blanks. First one, auxin, AUXIN. Second one, ethylene, ETHYLENE. Next one, ABA, abscisic acid. Fourth one is dwarf, DWARF, dwarf plants. Fifth one is cytokinin, CYTOKININ. Sixth one is parathormone. Seventh one is insulin, SULIN. Eighth one is TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone, TSH. Ninth one, cretinism. Tenth one is match the following. I have written auxin, which is responsible, coleoptile tip, the column 2, and apical dominance. So I have marked here, children, but you have to write parallel answers. Auxin, then it will come coleoptile tip, then it will come apical dominance. Like that. Number 2, ethylene, which is called the fruit ripening hormone. So fruits ripening. Next one, abscisic acid, chloroplast, it is found. It is helping in abscission. Next, cytokinin, coconut milk and cell division. Fifth one is gibberellins, Gibberella fujikuroi, internodal elongation. But you have to write the parallel answer. Match the following in the second, animal hormones, all these are. Thyroxine, goiter. Insulin, diabetes mellitus. Parathormone, tetany. Growth hormone, acromegaly, ADH, diabetes insipidus. Now next one, state the statement true or false. Wherever true need not change, wherever false you have to correct the statement. So statement first one, statement is true, so nothing is there to change. Number 2 also it is true. Number 3, ethylene retards senescence of leaves, flowers and fruits. The statement is false. So what is the correct statement? You have to write ethylene stimulates, that is the only word to be changed. Stimulates senescence of leaves, flowers and fruits. Next, fourth question. Exophthalmic goiter is due to the over-secretion of thyroxine. That is also true. Pituitary gland is divided into 4 lobes. It is divided into 2 lobes. So the statement is false. Statement is false. So fifth one, the statement is false. I have written also fifth one. The correct statement is pituitary gland is divided into 2 lobes. That is the right statement. Sixth one, estrogen is secreted by the corpus luteum. The statement is false. Estrogen is secreted, or you can write estrogen is secreted by Graafian follicle, that is also there, or you can write progesterone is secreted by corpus luteum. So any one side you have to change. So I have changed here name of that hormone. Now next, assertion and reason. The statement number 1, the A is both are true and R is the right explanation of A. Second one is also the same. Third one is A is true and R is false. Now next, which hormone promotes the production of male flowers in cucurbits? Now that is the gibberellins. Number 1. Roman letter 6, number 1. Number 2. Write the name of a synthetic hormone. 2,4-D. Full form also you have to write. 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid. Dichlorophenoxyacetic acid. Number 3. Which hormone induces parthenocarpy in tomatoes? That is also gibberellins. I have written third one, gibberellin. Gibberellins. Gibberellins. Fourth question, which hormone? What is the hormone responsible for the secretion of milk in female after childbirth? Name of that hormone is called oxytocin. 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 Fifth one, name the hormones which regulates water and mineral metabolism in man. Name of that hormone is called mineralocorticoids. Mineral, first you write O corticoids. They are also called aldosterone. Aldosterone. Next one, which hormone is secreted during emergency situation in man? Then two hormones, adrenaline, it's another term is called epinephrine. Epinephrine. And number 2, it is called noradrenaline, or it is also called norepinephrine. These two hormones are called the emergency hormones in man. Next, seventh one, which gland secretes digestive enzymes and hormones? Which gland? Name of that gland is called pancreas. Eighth one, name the endocrine gland associated with kidney. That is called the adrenal. ADRENAL. Adrenal gland. Now next one, seventh one, short answers. What are synthetic auxins? Give example. Go to the page number 230. Page number 230, synthetic auxin. Here page number 230 and synthetic auxin. What do you mean by that? With one example. Already we know the example. Artificially synthesized auxins that have properties like auxin are called as synthetic auxin. Example 2,4-D, 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid. Next question. Next question, what is bolting? Come to the page number 231. Bolting, come to the page number 231. Page number 231, and here only very small answers. The treatment of rosette plants with gibberellin induces sudden shoot elongation followed by flowering. This is called bolting. Only that one you have to write. How it can be induced? No, here it can be induced. In the book itself also you can write. It can be induced by application of gibberellins. LLINS. It can be induced by application of gibberellins. That is the second part. Now bring about two physiological activities of abscisic acid. Now come to the page number 232. Page number 232. Physiological effects of abscisic acid. I have written question number 7th Roman letter, question number 3. 5 are there. Any two can be written. That is your choice. Now next question is, what will you do to prevent leaf fall or fruit drop in plants? Support your answer with reason. The answer is, we have to spray auxin to prevent leaf fall and fruit drop, because to prevent leaf fall and fruit drop in plants, because auxin prevents the formation of abscission layer, because that is important. The auxin prevents the formation of abscission layer. That is the answer. Now next question is, what is the next question? Next question is, what are chemical messengers? What are chemical messengers? Question number 5. Question number 5, hormones are called the chemical messengers. Hormones are called the chemical messengers. Then write from page number 229. Come to the beginning of this chapter, 229. The page number is 229, and come here. The endocrine system acts through chemical messengers known as hormones, which are produced by specialized glands. Physiological processes such as digestion, metabolism, growth, development, and reproduction are controlled by hormones. That will be enough. So this paragraph to be written. Now, what are the differences between endocrine glands and exocrine gland? I have written the differences. Endocrine gland. Endocrine gland and exocrine. Endocrine gland, they are ductless. Exocrine glands, they have the ducts. They secrete hormones under endocrine gland, but they secrete the enzymes, exocrine gland. Their site of action is different. Site of action means they will be produced in one place, they will be transported to other place where they will show their action. But exocrine gland, the enzymes, their site of action is same. Origin and site of action is same. They are transported along with the blood. Hormones are transported, but they transport separately through separate ducts. So these are the 4 differences. 4 marks are there. That's why I have made 4 differences. Now next part, next question. What is the role of parathormone? That one you have to go to your book. In the book, that is the question number 7. Come to the page number. Come to the page number 236. Page number 236. If you come to the page number 236, on top, functions of parathormone, these 2. First function regulates calcium and phosphorus metabolism in the body, first one. Second one, they acts on bone, kidney and intestine to maintain blood calcium levels. These 2 functions. Now next question is, what are the hormones secreted by the posterior lobe of pituitary gland? Mention their tissues on which they show their effect. So names of the 2 hormones are, first one is called the vasopressin or ADH hormone. Second one is called the oxytocin. ADH, first part of the answer. These 2 hormones are secreted by the posterior pituitary. Now what are the functions? ADH acts on renal tubule, site of action. Oxytocin acts on smooth muscles of uterus during childbirth. These are the 2 site of action. Why the thyroid hormones referred as personality hormone? Question number 9. Come to the page number 235. Page number 235.